COOKING hot Cheeto cheese sticks with Don and Keith. What's up, my little sisters? What's poppin', Diddy gang? It's the Little Sisters, and today we are back with another video.
Cooking with the Divas. Alright, so we're gonna be cooking some homemade cheese sticks, but with hot Cheetos. What are cheese sticks?
And
we gonna put lemon pepper on it because I love lemon pepper. Period. We ain't crushed the Cheetos. We're just gonna use the dispenser, but we don't know how. So we gonna hand this mug. Why you ain't crushed the bag?
it would have popped the bag. I literally just said that. I've been using this.
They'll be cracking the bag and stuff.
Grab out the
Use
clothes
this.
bag.
Let me see that.
Finally got to grab out the clothes bag. Watch, she gonna.
We gonna be back when this is crunched.
I'm trying to help you.
Yeah, the bag popped because I'm heavy-handed, but so far,
Got this bowl, big bowl. I'm gonna be putting the eggs into the bowl. We're gonna use 2 or 3. I'm gonna use 2. I'm gonna use 2. We're gonna use 2 eggs.
how many we gonna make? I feel like, oh, these. What do they look like, y'all?
Right, they ain't that big.
I thought they was real long. Oh, that's gonna fit. Oh, we already got the grease over there. Spicing up.
I think I'm gonna just make me 3. Cause I'm eating chicken and I'm getting bacon macaroni.
We're gonna make 6. I really wanted to use the dispenser because it was gonna make.
Yeah, and it would have been fun. You be like, damn, how that thing moving in them jeans. In them jeans.
Do it like me. Oh, wow.
So we finished crushing up the thing, and I showed y'all. It didn't.
So the ingredients that you're gonna need for this is flour. You have to tell them what we need. We're gonna need flour. You don't have to do flour.
Cheese sticks. Well, literally just cheese sticks.
Cheese.
But they sticks.
Right. No, I think it's just called mozzarella strips.
It's still cheese.
Egg yolk.
That's 3 and 3 more. You eat
And
3?
I guess.
Yeah, because that ain't gonna go good with chicken. Well, for me, because I'm gonna have macaroni. I'm gonna be on the toilet. And more cheese.
Chips.
Hold on, this looks so satisfying to do.
Alright, so we're gonna work this as a team. I'm gonna be recording down here so y'all can see how the process go.
First, I'm about to dip in this egg. Then the flour.
Back in the egg.
I hate how messy this about to get. I feel like that's enough flour.
Y'all, hers, I'm letting you put yours in there. But without back. Hers just look like
A mess.
shoot.
I can't even. I feel like I should have let it sit in the flour. Alright. My favorite part of it. It's probably better to shake the bag up. Then fry the cheese stick.
Up, girl. That's why you needed more egg yolk. That's what's going on. Yeah, hers
It do. It look weird.
don't look too good.
It's just my first one. I ain't tripped about it. I'm gonna just leave it like this.
Go pop that in the stove, boo.
Girl, please don't ever do that. Move. I'm gonna just leave it in there even if it's bacon and ready.
Alright. We're gonna put a top over there so it can cook faster. That's hers first one. Yeah, hers look nasty.
You sound like you just tasted it or something.
I say yours look nasty. I didn't say it.
This is mine. It look good. All right, put it back now. You touch it too long. Put it on the bottom side.
I know.
Because that side need to sit. I shook the bag. Okay. Shook the bag.
I can't wait to cook mine.
And now we back to, she finna, you want to coach yours? Go ahead and cook
No.
it. Sit it in the bag. Oh. Well, I got one in there cooking. It don't look the best. I'm gonna let that sit in there by itself until I'm ready to take it out. Excuse me. And I have a plate right here.
Keep us knocking on these curves.
That stuff is all up under my nail. And this is not real nail. It's disgusting. What's your
Hopefully it's cheesy. These the real deal. I ain't gonna go perps too.
I'm gonna take them out because I'm very tempted. Jesus, I'm cooking.
Ooh.
Yeah, they should have been cut out. It's not ugly. It looks like a fat s'mores on there.
This is ugly.
It's really.
It looks like it got.
It's not that bad.
Like, where's the crunch of the Cheetos?
I don't know if I want to separate.
Okay, this side, it looks like a bug. This look ugly.
I'm gonna take this up because I separated it.
Why you separated
It
it?
needs to heal.
I just want to pull it apart.
I don't want it together.
What's
Ooh.
cheesy?
Aha!
Like you touching all on my food.
You
Relax.
right, you right. Man, I can do better.
This is the better batch. We gotta capture this. Ah, this should have been a thumbnail.
No, it shouldn't have. We already got one. Move it along.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Hopefully it is what it's about. Alright, so don't need to be in there for like 3 minutes tops. So we better.
I'm about to try this one. Oh.
No, you're not. We try them together.
You can't let cheese sticks sit like this.
Right. Alright, well I'm finna do mine. Ooh,
It's hot.
Is it good? It is.
It tastes like chicken.
Girl,
It needed to get up though. Y'all hear man's back there sizzling crickle crack.
oh my god, it's cause it's just alright, let's
No. Okay. Why do you want another base of flour?
because I want mine to be crispy.
Why she over here dig dipping? Dig dipping. Ooh, I'm gonna take it out. And then stop. You go ahead, walk it.
Girl, we know who's finna be better.
Right. I hope yours about what you preach, what you talking about. I don't do no talking. Alright. Let her shake it up, and then when she take it out, you gonna come back so we can.
You thought I was gonna shake it there? I don't remember. Alright, with flour is so weird.
Bruh, that's so loud. And my fucking mess. Yeah, about to be something you something to me. I
Girl,
don't know
what?
who hotters me, honestly. I don't remember that first part. I forgot it.
Is that Drake? Alright, I'm guessing not.
It just ripped so easy. No, that's Polo G. That's 3-headed goat.
Oh, I like the baby part. He said hard as he's son, girl. I was regardless. Hey, that part's so loud. I love the dirty part too, like when they go.
I wish we had
I can't mention my niggas saying something because they
some more chips to go. Oh, you
drop a lot.
put Grippo sauce on there, she said. But I'm about to put the lemon pepper on there.
For y'all, man. Just imagine if we.
Shake it up just because I feel like every time you shake something up, I feel like it tastes better.
I mean,
Pretty.
alright, I'm about to go ahead and put this. Oh, my hand touched the grease.
I'm gonna dip it on the top.
My hand touched the grease. I don't know why I got that close. Anyway. Alright, I'm messing it up. I ain't showing y'all these. These is not.
I can't really chew because my mouth hurt. And then I heard about cheese sticks and the cheese. Like,
What?
how quick it like,
Oh, like dry.
yeah.
Y'all
It
should eat
tastes
without
like,
me. What would you rate it?
an 8 out of 10. With the lemon on there, it tastes like the lemon lime hot Cheetos. Not surprised.
I am. Is it good?
What y'all think it is? Y'all should have saw we made barbecue. It's just ripping so easily. I wish I could see.
Sure.
Take one more.
Let me show you guys some.
No. You know I said nothing like that.
Drink water, guys.
You better drink your ass whoop.
Stop cursing me. I gotta beat that out.
You cussed already, so yes you did, Key.
Mm.
I like Mike for talking.
Mm. Girl.
I'm lifting it up and it's just peeling. Dude, I'm gonna eat this piece because it looks good. I want to do a fat ASMR. Let me see. That's not a lot, but it's not kind of. Cheese oozing out on the side. Like 3 chicken tenders.
I am what I speak about, boo.
It smell hot.
Girl, no, you don't. She eat perfect. We gonna ask my sauce. Alright, yeah, I had to move y'all. Period.
Cause
This is what mine look like.
oh, looks so beautiful.
They either look better on camera, but compared to hers, I'm
I'm
scared to eat it.
Go ahead.
So scared. Okay. Let's put this here. I'm gonna show y'all. It's so hot. I don't know. It ain't as breaking apart with the outside. The outside to get you. I'm so scared to eat this.
What?
You
You ain't put your lemon and pepper on there. It's right there. Girl, why don't you take your finger and flick? Finger licking.
Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm so scared to eat this. Like, I don't know why, but
Is that even enough lemon pepper? Oh. Oh. Ugh! Slobber McSlob. Oh, fat juicy. It's good. It's not yours nasty.
I can't eat it. I'm gonna try again. I think
Yeah. And she swore.
mine was the best. I just can't.
How you know that? And I didn't even spit out that like that. I spit out my first one. I didn't want that one. You didn't want hot sauce. It's nasty. Oh my.
Who even thought of this?
Who
Yeah.
names thou shalt not mention. Drink water.
But I'm gonna end off this video without dying. Thank you guys for watching and giving us some of your day. Make sure to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to watch our mother freaking video.